So hi there guys, we're getting back on art and doing some weeb stuffs. I'm trying to paint Kirito from Sword Art Online. I think it is one of the best anime that explores artificial intelligence, next to Ghost in the Shell by the way. In a metaphysical and philosophical sense, big words. I take it all back. I think the best anime that explores morality of artificial intelligence is Psycho Pass Season 1. Yep, best anime. Let's get into the painting process. So first, I made a sketch that I was happy with, but along the way, I can see problems and I actually have a difficult time in making the proportions work. I taught myself drawing and painting a couple of years ago, but I never drew anime. I'm having a hard time because the features are very exaggerated and it's more easier for me to copy a face rather than make a construction of it. So in here, I'm just picking up some elements on the references and mashing them up, and I just hope that it would look good. The primary colors would come from the Jeff Jones painting, and the shadows and lighting, the way that the light would fall into the character would come into these portraits of the Felsiel characters. So I let it play for a while. Just keep in mind that I am not really a master of this stuff. I'm just exploring, experimenting, and trying up some new stuffs. So there you go, my fan art of Kirito from Sword Art Online. I'm still not happy of the final product because if you see the thumbnail of the portrait, you can see that it is not reading correctly. It has a problem on the right side of the face. I think it is not proportional, or the proportions and lighting is not right. But I have to call it a day because I have to sleep. So that's all for now, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the change of pace of this video, and comment below if you want to show some characters drawn on or some realistic styles. I hope you enjoy your day and have a good one.